Hi Leo, how's it going, my loves? This is Monica from Intuitive Soul 78. Thank you so much for being a part of the channel, you guys. I really appreciate all the support, the likes, shares, comments, subscribes, and so very much to me, as this is still a fairly new channel. It's only a couple months old, but I wanted to say thank you to each and every one of you before I began. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into your guys' September reading, Leo. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with what the lesson is within the relationship for the two of you. Okay? Let's see here. For the person that Leo is thinking about tonight, Spirit, what is the current lesson within the relationship? Oh, that was quick. So, oh, they got two. So, they got the card Doubt, and they got the card Success. So, there we go. The card Success says, I know that there is no greater goal than to love. And Doubt says, I release the need to know all the answers. So for your person, I feel they may be doubting this is true love. They may be even doubting your sincerity or your love for them, Leo. Okay? Let's see what your lesson is. What is the lesson for my Leo for the month of September within the relationship? What is their lesson about? What is their lesson about, Holy Spirit? Thank you. You got the card Trust. Nice. It says, excuse me. Your card says, I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. So this is about listening to your intuition, my loves, and where it's leading you. Let's go ahead and find out what's going on underneath it all. What are the true feelings about the relationship for your person and for you? For the person that Leo is dealing with in the month of September, please, Spirit, what is their message? How do they truly feel? What's the message, please, for Leo? For their person, how they truly feel. Okay. All right, Leo. So your person got the card Not Today. It says not dealing, hurt, avoiding a conversation, call or a person, boundaries, and still angry. So your person seems to be a little bit lit about something. I'm not sure what it is that they are avoiding, but they're avoiding something. Maybe they're not talking to you. They're hurt by something that happened. You know what I'm also getting with this Trust card coming out? Not only should you trust yourself, trust the situation, trust the relationship, but it's also about gaining and earning and living up to the trust and the faith that other people have in you, Leo. Your person is struggling right now, having a lot of doubt. Having a lot of doubt right now. There's challenges right here in love. Yeah, and they may be, they're not expressing themselves. They're not expressing that to you, that they're having doubts about this relationship. How does Leo feel about the relationship, Spirit? All right, Leo. You got two cards, okay? We got Not Enough, and we got the Sword and the Rose. So, all right, Leo, those are your two, my loves. Not enough. Frustrated in the relationship, lack of confidence, self-sabotage, fear, ego issues, and jealousy. And the Sword and the Rose is clarity, truth, revelation, solidarity, force, honor, protection, power. So, loves, with these two cards coming out, I feel like you feel maybe that this relationship is not enough, or your person is, the dynamics within the relationship are making you feel like it's not enough, okay? Or your person, you may feel like your person is, I don't want to say not enough for you, but maybe not the right match for you. And something's going to become very clear to you. It's very clear to you that you're not receiving enough out of this relationship, whatever it is, or whatever the situation is during the month of September. It's not the right situation for you. I'm not saying not the right person. I'm saying not the right situation or timing or something. I can't believe how low my candle is right now. It's very low. And it's only halfway through. For some of you guys, yeah, it's really thin. It's real. I'm hearing really thin. It's really thin. For some of you guys may be just barely hanging on. The light's just very, very dim within the relationship, like that candle there, like this one. I feel like you guys lack a friendship, Leo, within your relationship with whoever you're having the struggle with. Your person having these doubts and stuff, and for you about trusting your instincts and just knowing that this is not right for you, this situation, or not enough for you, Leo. I feel like there's an element like a friendship that's just missing, that's not there anymore, or is just missing in the relationship. Maybe it's based on other things and didn't begin out as like a friendship or grow in closeness, something like that. Let's see what's gonna happen for you guys for the month of September, my loves. All right, for Leo, please, the month of September, Holy Spirit, what is going to happen with Leo and the person that they're dealing with in love? September love, please. For Leo and the person, please. All right. All right, guys, let's do this. For Leo and the person, the month of September, please, Holy Spirit. For Leo and the person, the month of September, what's going on? There's one. I'm just going to shuffle. I like to just shuffle until all the cards fall out that I want to, okay? 2, and however they fall off, flip them over whenever it comes. 3, 4. Some of you are dealing with definitely with the Libra. You guys could be dealing with the air sign so far, it looks like. Okay. Oh, shizzle, some of you are dealing with 2 people. Oh, crap. Alright. Let me see here what's at the bottom of the deck. Definitely, you guys, there's totally, a lot of energies here. On the bottom of the deck, we have the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, I feel like this card always represents the story that's being told. Okay, this is about stability, foundation. The Queen of Pentacles could be an earth sign. Okay, I feel like this is you, though, with the Queen of Pentacles coming out on the reverse. Definitely. This is stability. This is permanence. This is something that you have no doubts. You don't want to have any doubts. You want a firm foundation. You want to be solid. Yes, you're I'm feeling a little bit of materialism coming off of this card, but you know, to each his own. You're wanting a supportive system. You're wanting a person that can maybe provide whatever you provide into the relationship or more. Maybe you're looking for somebody that will help you financially as well, with the Queen of Pentacles coming out. The Queen of Pentacles usually, she's self-sufficient. She can handle it all. Work, relationship, kids, children, you know, they're boss. They boss up. They can do it all. They can handle it all. But for some reason, I'm getting the vibe tonight of somebody who may be in a relationship or searching for somebody who can support them financially. Okay, this may or not be the case. Remember, this is just a general reading, so if it doesn't resonate with you, do not accept any part of the reading. I know they say, oh, take what resonates, leave what don't. No. It's either going to resonate or it's not. So if it doesn't, just let it go. If it does, let me know in the comments. Let me know how it resonates with you, okay? So what I'm getting here, Leo, we got the High Priestess. The High Priestess talks about listening to your intuition. The High Priestess can be about secrets. Something that's unknown, okay? Very mysterious vibe. Somebody who's very psychic. For some of you guys, are very psychic, or you're dealing with somebody who is psychic. For some of you guys, go for tarot readings about your love relationship, or your person could be getting tarot readings in regards to the relationship. On the other hand, the High Priestess can also mean the other woman in some readings, or the other person, okay? Let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness, I can't believe this. These are 6 energies, Leo. What is up with that? These are all court cards, major arcana. I've never seen this before. Damn. You got a lot of people in your environment. There's too many people. 3 is a fucking crowd. There's 6 people here. Leo, what is going on? I ain't about to say a Leo's oh my gosh, dealing with 5 people. Maybe one of you out there might be, but I know damn well because we're not dealing with 5 people. Let's see, let's get into this, okay? We have the High Priestess, the Knight of Swords. Somebody's gonna coming towards you to communicate with you. They have something to say. They want to say it fast. Somebody, I feel this is a confrontation. Somebody might be coming to confront you. If you are the other woman, if you are the other person, some of you guys out there might be. There's somebody's coming to confront you about that. They're coming to confront you. But I feel like, yeah, it could be an air sign that's coming to confront you. They want to know, or they may be coming to ask you. They want to know some kind of truth, Leo, and they want it from you. They're going to come and hit you up about that. They want to know some kind of truth. And then we have the Hermit here. The Hermit, some of you could be dealing with the Virgo. I have Pisces, Libra, Virgo, Capricorn, and more Libra energy. So, air sign or earth sign. You know what? There are no cups here. I see pentacles, swords. There's no wands here either. Pentacles and swords. This is earth and air. Yeah, this is earth and air right here. But, yeah, there's 2 queens, a king, and a knight. So, for some of you guys, you know what, Leo? For some of you guys, both of you guys, you and the person that you're dealing with are each in relationships. This is 2 different relationships here, this story. And this is going to be, it could be involving a Pisces and a Virgo, or somebody with, or a Cancer and a Virgo, okay? There's 2 couples here. So, I feel like you have a person, but you have another person on the side. And I feel like your person on the side has another person as well. Does that make sense? So, both of you guys are taken, but you guys are seeing each other as well. That's what's happening here. That's why there's so many energies here. Okay, so with the Hermit card coming out, I feel like that's just an energy. That's the energy of one of the persons. Or she might be coming in to fight for her Virgo or something like that, but she's going to confront you about it. Then we have the King of Pentacles in reverse. Something is completely unstable. This King of Pentacles in reverse, somebody who can't be trusted with your heart, let alone with your money. They're very untrustworthy, this energy. Here you are. This is these are counterparts here, right here. This is Queen of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. He may be completely unaware of the whole situation. Yeah. I feel like they're totally unaware of the whole situation that's going on here. Well, totally random, but that's what I'm getting, my loves. From these cards, something's going to be exposed. You're going to be confronted, or this may be flipped the other way around, okay? Because energies can be reversed. It could be your person that's involved in this situation. Let me get a couple more cards from this deck. That was from the Dark Mansion Tarot. Let me see here. Now I'm going to pull from the Magic Tarot. Okay, my loves? What's going on here with Leo? What's going on here with Leo? He looks like a freaking foursome here. It's not even a triangle. Oh, it's not even third party. There's freaking 4 people involved here, my loves. Alright, let's see here. Oh shit, 3 came out. Let's go ahead and see what these say. And this is on the bottom of the deck here. Yeah, death. Some of you could be dealing with a Scorpio. Scorpio's trying to make a decision what they're going to do because they're unhappy with the 4 of Cups coming out here. And Knave of Cups. Somebody who's been unfaithful. Alright, guys. Or somebody who's untrustworthy. Somebody who needs to apologize, but they're not apologizing. Let's see what we got. So right here, we got the Five of Swords in reverse. We got the Eight of Swords in reverse. And then we got the King of Cups. Another energy here. The King of Cups. So, let me put this together. So this King of Cups that's here, this person, this King of Cups is offering you their cup. Just be aware that this person they can hold their emotions and their feelings. They can be a little bit or appear to be a little bit on the cold side, but they're very protective and they do love. They just don't express it very much. Okay, the King of Cups. And be careful because this person can, I'm hearing the word, a little bit slippery. So this person, yeah, I'm not sure what that means, but I feel like it means, I'm hearing they can be slippery. So whoever this energy is, you may or may not know them, or this could represent you. Slippery, somebody who can, slip up easily, okay, and wind up in whatever the situation is out here with all these, different energies, Leo. Just be careful of that. All right, then we have the Five of Swords. Somebody's walking away from the situation. Definitely, they're turning and walking away. They're realizing it's not worth their time. There's too many people involved in this situation. And then we have the Eight of Swords in reverse. So somebody could be coming out of jail. That could be the situation for some of you guys. Somebody's incarcerated. That's why you're talking to somebody else, but that person is taken. So this is just like, I don't know, to kill some time or something. But with the Eight of Swords being in reverse, this is somebody who is, if one of these persons, for some of you guys, somebody's getting out of jail, okay? That's what I'm seeing here. They're coming out, and if they're not coming out of jail, they're coming out of some kind of mental prison that they have been in, that they're walking away from any kind of conflict whatsoever. This person, whoever this King of Cups represents, somebody's out. They're out the door. They're done. They're not doing this. Just way too many energy here. Yeah, what was on the bottom of this deck too? Oh, here we have Queen of Cups. I knew there was two couples. Look at, we have the King of Cups here. And then their counterpart, the Queen of Cups. We also have the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles. So this is water and fire. Then we have Ten of Pentacles. Some of you guys have a family and children. The Nueve de Bastos, Nine of Wands. There's somebody who's keeping the secret. They're very protective of their secret. Knight of Wands in reverse. Total player energy. Somebody just wants to move on. Somebody just wants to move the hell on. Oh, shoot. Somebody might be dealing with the King of Swords. What is going on? How is there 3 different families or 3 different relationships here? That is so crazy. Queen of Swords, King of Swords, you guys. Come on, Leo. You guys need to tell me what is up here. What is going on here? There's just way too many energies, way too many people involved. Yeah. I feel like you're going to be confronted or being involved in some kind of confrontation in the month of September, my loves. You know what? I love you guys. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what's going on with you, how this resonates. And I wish you guys all the best. Be blessed and bless others, Leo.